This one-pan oven-baked chicken dinner is so easy to make, and the chicken comes out juicy and delicious every time. I'm Tess, and come join me in my kitchen, and I will show you how to make this one-pan chicken dinner from start to finish. This oven-baked chicken dinner is great for those busy weekday nights. You can prep and marinate the chicken ahead of time, and the longer the better. The marinade has some traditional flavorful herbs and seasonings, and the chicken comes out tasty every time. Starting with the marinade, I am adding some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, and this is optional, sage, rosemary, and this is dried, so I'm rubbing it between my fingers to get the most flavor. And finally, some thyme, giving that a whisk to incorporate. Next, I'm adding in some olive oil, juice of half of a lemon, and some Dijon mustard, giving that a good stir, and this is the chicken marinade. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. I have a family pack of 5 very large bone-in chicken thighs. You can use bone-in chicken breasts and legs, but you may need to adjust your cooking time. With the thighs, they are the same size and cook evenly. I'm thoroughly coating all the chicken pieces with the marinade. I am covering, and this is going into the refrigerator for 6 to 8 hours, or overnight is better. It's been 10 hours and I'm ready to put this dinner together. I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In my baking dish, I'm adding in some diced red potatoes, carrots, celery, including the tops which add so much flavor, some sliced garlic, sprigs of fresh rosemary, salt, and wedges of lemon, giving everything a drizzle with olive oil and stirring to get everything coated. I'm placing the marinated chicken thighs on top, and don't forget to top with any extra marinade. While baking, all these herbs and flavors are going to soak down the chicken and into the vegetables and form some wonderful, delicious juices. The chicken is going into a 400 degree Fahrenheit oven, uncovered for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Like I said before, depending on the size of chicken and the pieces you use, you may need to adjust your cooking time. The internal temp of the chicken should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, if the chicken is becoming too brown on top, you can tent the chicken with foil. And this is the chicken right out of the oven. And you can see all the juices on the bottom. I usually put some of the juices on the table so everyone could spoon over the vegetables and chicken. There is a lot of flavor in those juices. The chicken is nice and juicy with great flavor. I hope you give this one-pan oven-baked chicken a try and enjoy. It is the best. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.